Hey, it's Adam with Germaine Marine. Today we're going to talk about how to set up your bimini on your Tige boat. So first, what you're going to do is come up here, take the safety straps off. After you do that, you'll come to the side with the zipper. Undo that all the way across. After you take the bimini boot off, put it in a spot where you remember where it's at. Unravel the bimini. And then once you unravel the bimini, push it forward until it stops. So then you'll flip it over the top of the tower. It helps if you hand it over to somebody. And then just push that guy. So once you get the bimini over the tower, you're going to take these short arms and lock them down in place in the brackets. Turn the knob 180 degrees. Quick tip when you're locking these short arms, if you pull down on the bimini with one arm, grab the little pole with the other, and then take and twist the arm in place. Helps it go a little bit smoother. All right, so when you go to take it down, you'll unhook both short arms again. And when you're taking it out, if you twist the arm, it helps it come out a little bit easier. Once you get those short arms out, you're gonna flip it back over itself. Once the bimini is over the tower, you'll push it back towards the tower. And once the bimini is pushed back towards the tower, that'll be in its stowed position while you're trailing the boat. You'll take the bimini and roll it back over itself a couple times. So grab the bimini boot, start on one end, once the bimini boot's back on, you'll take the safety straps, throw them around the bimini top, and then over the tower. Make sure that clicks on both sides. And you're done. One last key point, make sure you get these safety straps connected around the bimini top and around the tower to make sure that bimini stays secured while you're traveling down the freeway.